Ooh, where are we today? Well, there's a Kleenex box here, which means someone is crying with tears of joy.
That's not Visa.
But who could it be? Well, Visa is happy because they're earning more interest. But ooh, look at this. There's a coffin on the table, and there's a very handsome guy wearing a Texas t-shirt.
Over there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's another handsome guy here. Oh my God. Okay, let's see if you can He-Man this. All right, screwdriver. All right. Oh, look at that. Look at the ease in which the David Meister is cutting the box. Oh yeah. So truth be told, we took off the outer box already, and all we're doing is the inner box. Oh, and what's this? It's a lid made of cardboard. No. Ooh, what is this? It is the brand spanking new. What is it? 88-inch Laser 260 by Skywing. We're going to check out all the new fancy things that are on this. Ooh, look at that. This is new. It comes with a sticker sheet. That's right. So there's no more sticker shock. That part is gone. And look, what's this? It's a marshmallow. Hey, and look,
It's pretty quiet down the other end.
we
It's
have
like,
visiting dignitaries. Who's this guy?
hey man,
Yeah, from the sprawling cosmopolitan of Whitby.
Bowmanville.
Bowmanville. Okay. You know, I'm in your
Damn close.
Hey, guy from Bowmanville.
yeah. I'm in your neck of the woods lots in the summer.
Nice.
Mosport.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
And-
this looks beautiful.
Oh yeah. So let's see. He's got a sharp implement. So we have to stay out of the way because we've known this guy to go out of control on occasion with something sharp. As a matter of fact,
We only do that when we go back home, when we're in your home country.
he has to be frequently reminded not to run with scissors in his hands.
No, we taught to run with scissors if you were that.
That's true. That's true. Survival means surviving running with scissors.
It's a life skill.
The survival part is avoiding mama's shoes as they fly across the room.
Yeah, that's airborne slip-off.
So what is that in the bubble wrap?
So this is kind of new. I think I know what this is.
You
And
think?
for you guys, I think you're really going to appreciate this.
Oh, it's the cowling template.
Yes, it's something that, like extreme flight and such, I've had for a while.
Yeah, so you can cut holes in exhaust.
So, here it
Instead of
is.
using cardboard.
Yeah.
And because it's transparent, you can see exactly what you're doing.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oops,
Yes, it is exactly a cowling template.
there we go.
You fit it at the bottom of the plane. You can see the exhaust. You know what to cut out. You use this as your template. Then you overlay it on the cowling to pass it across. Yeah. Continuous new junk that's happening. Yeah. This is going to be your spinner. And I'm going to give you a hand here.
You need a sharp implement.
Yeah, that guy with... Where is the sharp implement?
There we go.
Yes. And of course, we're here at AJ Hobbies. You know, that's too sharp. Your mommy will have lots to say if you get a blade. Ooh.
And look at this beautiful red cow.
You know, I know a guy that this was going to, just saying. Before someone phoned and begged for it.
A little bit of arm twisting doesn't hurt.
This was going to be mine. Ooh, look at that. Don't worry about ripping the foam.
Say they definitely package them well.
This is this inner box. We removed the outer box downstairs.
Yeah, these guys These guys ship some really seriously
Damaged stuff.
cardboard.
Cardboard. I mean, this thing is solid.
Like plywood.
Look at that. And there's, careful, there's probably a spinner inside there.
Yes, there is.
Yes. I've opened one or two of these before.
Likewise.
Just one.
In 1 week.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yay.
There's a
Beautiful.
spin up.
Look at that color.
Yeah, it usually goes on the front here. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see that. While you're opening the next thing, we're going to
But I want
examine this.
I want also to do it. I do not use this.
Look, it's got baffles inside already. And look at the finish quality here. You can even see reflection, the Gale reflection on this. Oh, yeah, here.
Element.
Yes,
No
Look at that.
guessing.
no guessing. Beautiful thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Have it?
So far we've got decal sheet, a template, spinner, wheel cuffs.
Cool.
Yes.
All right.
And this time he's got a blade.
Whoa, sorry, David.
It's okay, it's only blood.
So got a few more
Ah.
miscellaneous
That's the
accessories. So
canisters
tunnel vents
and tunnel vents. Yes. Beautiful. And lots of screws.
Lots of screws, yeah.
Yep.
Let's see here.
This is also their new packaging. They've consolidated. These used to come in 2 boxes. Now it's in 1 big box. And the wings come already in the wing bags. And they must own a tape company, a cellophane company, because there's a boatload of tape in there. Oh, look at this.
Huh.
Yeah. Das ist der Rudder. Yes.
Is it my imagination or is it a tad smaller than the rudder on my NG?
Oh no, I'm sure it's
Same size?
same size.
Alright, let's see what's going inside here now. Inside the foil bag we have
Ooh, look at the quality of covering on this thing. Yeah, nice and shiny. Again, we'll see the David reflections. There you go. Yeah, it makes him look like he's got muscles. Oh, he was flexing.
oh yeah.
Look at that. And of course, all the hinges are sealed. This comes with the new attachment thingies we'll see on the fuselage real soon.
Oh, they're attached. Okay. Alright. Let's leave one of these off to the side.
The nose in first.
Oh, also new. Different looking material.
Oh yeah,
It is
that's
not the black
carbon
type
Kevlar,
carbon.
not just carbon.
It's more fancy Kevlar.
Yes, man. All right, are we going to see the fuselage?
You time for the main event yet?
Yeah, man. I think it's time for the fuselage.
Yeah, that's true because that doesn't. The wings don't come out until this comes out. All right.
Oh yeah. Muscles. There you go. Here comes the fuselage. And we get to see the fancy new attachment thingies.
All right. Let's flip. Pump. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, we're looking.
Why don't we close this up for a sec? And put it right on top. Yeah, look at that. Now let's see if you can take the bag off without cutting the covering.
Whoa. No, sorry.
Right here. How many people does it take to open a bag? Actually, it only takes one, but the bag's gonna want to open. So how do you convince a bag to open? It takes a sharp object. Like that. By the way, if you haven't drawn blood opening one of these up, you're not trying hard enough.
I'd like to keep not trying hard enough. Usually the blood somehow always comes later.
Yeah, man. I still like the Jamaican guy in the during the hurricane. He goes on British news, and the waves fly over the rocks, and he screams out, "Blood clot!" right in the news.
No, don't. I'm gonna keep the bag. I'm just gonna slide it straight out of there.
Oh, he's being very special here. Yes, he's got his way. And just like the Mandalorian say, this is the way. Yes. Paul, I guess you didn't think you'd be working today.
I can't help myself.
Yeah, this is very, look at the seriousness. Oh, 3D seriousness. There you go.
This is serious, isn't it?
Yes.
Like lawn furniture.
Lawn furniture.
Grab the plastic and just slide right out.
Okay. Look at this. Don't take this off.
It's not coming off.
All right.
It'll come off on maiden day at the field. Alright, so guys, one thing to note is that this red is way more brilliant in person than it is on Skywing's website.
Oh, it's beautiful.
If you have the original red, white, and blue NG, this is that red. It is brilliant.
Look at this.
Alright, I got
That's
this side of one.
quick connects for the
Oh, wow. Good work.
for the ailerons.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be nice. Look at
Pull this out.
Hey!
Yeah. Oh, who's that?
Oh, another camera.
Fresh from mainland.
How come still one piece?
This one's one piece.
Surprisingly, yes.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Yes. Hang on.
This was the one that came out of this box.
Yes.
Impossible.
Yes.
So
Impossible.
these poke through the cardboard on the other side. So
It's open it.
feels okay.
Lift so you can see inside. I want to see it. Come on. I already undid this side.
Both sides?
Yes, man.
Both?
Yes.
So slide back a little.
Oh, look at that. Okay, now we got to do an aerial view.
Also, before we take him away, look, canopy's not empty anymore.
Yeah, it's got a pilote.
Oh, we got
Yeah,
Yeah, with a panel.
somebody in there.
it's a. Okay, look at this. The new sliding connectors right there. Awesome.
So no more losing your magnetic pins at the field.
Oh, and the new got to go on this side. All the labeled. Look at all the very thin 20 gauge wiring. And it's
Whoa, this is
ultralight and
really
they're all
thin.
labeled. Beautiful.
Really, really thin.
Beautiful. Take a look. Yeah.
And as usual, all the long cable runs to the back.
Yes.
Pre-installed, which is
And
nice.
in the wings too, this one.
And this time, yes, because we have new style quick connects for the wings.
Yes.
So Skywing tried quick connects with a Yak 91 on the wings, like the smaller 67s before, but they've redone them this time for more traditional servo connection,
Yeah.
but just in a fixed place, and they've supplied extensions for that
Yeah.
too.
Aren't those nice wires?
Yeah, very light.
Very light.
Heavy gauge, but light.
Yeah.
So they're supposed to be 180 strand.
Oh yeah, they're very fine strand. It's amazing.
So any other changes here?
Nope.
The other pallet is screwed into place.
Oh, that's right. There's two screws to hold the pilot on. There you go.
Yep, so he's not going anywhere, and he's screwed into ply.
Yes. And that's the wing mounts.
Yeah.
Yeah, the wing locks.
Canopy won't allow them to open.
Yes.
Very nice.
So you don't want your canopy to fly off when you're flying. That everything comes apart at that
Not
point.
just trap the wings, the canopy does, but it reminds you, if you have not locked your wings in place, you try to put the canopy on, you cannot get the canopy on.
Yes. Let's get a wing out. What do you say?
So let's move this here.
Yep. And unfortunately, this one's not going to make any noise whatsoever.
No, it will. It will. There will be the sound of the propeller ripping.
It'll be the sound of, I know. It's going to be the sound of R2-D2.
Your props ripping sound.
Yes. By the way, this has the shortest tail moment of all Skywing planes.
That mean it is?
That means it's going to be a nice and aggressive flyer. And with the new 104 inch from 101, it's going to have the characteristics.
Are you ready for that?
The ARS was nice, so this one's going to be nicer. Yeah. When the 104 comes,
Oh, okay.
do you know when? Because I'm waiting for that too. Because I had to surrender this one because someone begged. Here. We'll give him the sharp thing.
You're too gentle.
Yeah, do like me.
And we have.
Wheel pants. That's right, you don't want to go pantless.
Oh, you leave the house? Yeah, put your pants on.
That's right, big boy pants right there. And there's a box in there which we don't need to open because it's just the wheels and a bunch of screws and stuff.
This is good.
Yes. And this is 88 inch. Nice carbon tube I can see. Yes.
Alright, so this is essentially your 91 style tube.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds like a stab tube in there.
Yeah. You just hit a stab tube.
Alright.
Ooh, look at this. That's a nice color scheme. Much nicer than the orange.
Did it live?
Just saying.
Did it live?
It lived.
This wing's small.
It's
Not
88,
91, it's 88.
88 inches. It's gonna roll like a mofo. Yeah. Look at the color. It's so bright.
Truly beautiful.
Oh yeah, let's look inside the edge here. Let's see. Yep, look at that in there. It's all they're carbon ribs as far as the wing tube mount goes.
They've changed the wing retention screw too. It has a lot not on it now. They used to be just seated in place. So these are adjustable.
Yes. Nice. Oh yeah, the wing retention screws are nice. You can adjust them.
Finally, yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like it's meant to be like that.
Yeah.
As opposed to just jamming in a screw. Yeah.
And these look like they have SFGs.
Even a second wing. I mean, I don't know, just in case you need it.
Yeah, who needs a second wing?
You might be having a bad day. You never know.
Never. When you're at the flying field, there's never a bad day.
Nicely done. Light, eh? Fantastic. Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, that's why we love these planes.
Wait, you mentioned SFG. Not seen any
It's right here.
yet.
Right in there.
SFG pockets.
Yep.
The covering is superb.
And they're very light.
Yeah.
Ooh, they've changed material.
SFGs.
This is actually a laminate SFG this time.
Oh,
Laminate?
Yeah, it's carbon.
oh yes, yes.
Carbon laminate SFG, laser cut.
Wow, nice and light.
And you don't have to remove the screws all the way because you mount them, click and slide them back.
Exactly.
Then amazing. That's going to be,
It's interesting. These are different from the SFGs I got with my 91 Skywings last year.
yeah, they are much nicer, I would say.
These are nicer.
Construction screw just popped in, you know?
Yes.
Previous models.
All right, let's get the super models together. And,
this time around.
you know, let's get on the other side.
So yeah. Same thing. Oh,
Get on the other side. Yes, because, you know, we want to stand beside the happy owner. It wasn't me.
Happiness.
Just remember,
Happiness is.
true friendship means that you'll give up your plane because someone called and whined that they really want it. I'm not saying that actually happened, Robert Gale. I'm not saying it really happened, but it did really happen.
It's the Jamaican version of.
Yes. All right, everybody, thumbs up. We'll get a nice thumbnail here. Yeah, you too, Paul. You're in the picture. Thumbs up. 1, 2, 3. Let's coordinate this. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Skywing.
Yay, Skywing.
Yeah,